Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon. You know who it is. It's the Cabin Cowboy. Wanting to shoot a quick video of the brand new Big Bertha on the lot. I know some of y'all haven't had a chance to see me go live and do this video yet, so I wanted to do a quick 10-minute tour. She's a big girl, just shy of 950 square feet. 3-bedroom, 1 bath. This is the Big Bertha Baby 2.0. So this is the upgraded version. We still got the 1.0, which got the 2 bedrooms upstairs, but this is the brand new 2.0 model. You can kind of get a size idea of how big she is next to the Tiny Tim. There's Tiny Tim, a little 14 by 28, and there's Big Bertha Baby. She's a big girl, y'all. She's a big girl. So let me do a little video here real fast. Let me get all the angles. So we've made some modifications to the way this one's been designed. On the original Big Bertha was 14 by 32, but this Big Bertha is 14 by 42 on the first floor. Second floor is still 14 by 32 with the 2 bedrooms upstairs connected by the catwalk. But we extended out the first floor by 10 feet to accommodate a master bedroom downstairs, which I'm now going to show to you. But the good thing is now you got a longer porch. You got a 6-foot by 42-foot front porch. And then on the first floor is 14 by 42. Second floor is 14 by 32. So just shy of 950 square feet of living space. As you can see, beautiful porch that extends the whole front of Big Bertha Baby. She's pretty, y'all. She's pretty. She's pretty. You still got your double pane windows with your argon glass. Easy clean. This is a 4-season cabin. Remember though, if y'all live up north, Minnesota, Vermont, Michigan by the lakes, you know who y'all are. Make sure you ask us about that installation upgrade if y'all's temperatures drop below 0 now. Okay, now we are inside this pretty thing. Beautiful, beautiful. One modification we did on the 2.0 is now we got a handcrafted tabletop here with a little bit more features on it. Okay, you got your handcrafted kitchen cabinets. We got the barn door on there. That's going to go to where your restroom is going to be in your laundry room, right? You still got your door underneath the steps. Still got your second floor, except this time we enclosed one of the bedrooms up there and we kept one side open. Okay, so we got 2 bedrooms upstairs. We enclosed one side so y'all can kind of see what that looks like closed up. Kept the other side open. Okay, so y'all can let us know if you want them both open, both closed, one open, one closed, lots of options. There's your back door. There's your living room area. Okay, just like the original, but remember it's 10 foot longer on the first floor because, ooh, what's this? That's right, we got a master downstairs. A lot of our customers are baby boomers. They don't want to risk falling down them stairs, or a lot of folks just want to have a downstairs bedroom, right? So now let's go into the bedroom, and voila, we got a downstairs bedroom off of the living room. Okay, so this is the Big Bertha Baby 2.0, 3-bed, 1 bath. And remember, there is an upgrade option to go ahead and add a half bath off of this master. If you want to have a restroom that is yours inside the master. So we do give you that option as well at an upcharge if you want to add a half bath, toilet and sink to the master. Obviously that will eat into your living room a little bit, but some people got to have that master bathroom. Okay, you got to have that half bath in the master. Okay, so we'll go out of the bedroom and we are now back in to the living room area. Once again, y'all, this roof looks, the ceiling looks low. It is not low. Those of y'all that have been watching me know I'm a tall guy. I'm 6'6", y'all. So this ceiling ain't low. I'm just tall as hell. Okay, so the ceiling is not low. I am just super tall. Most people's point of view is gonna be like down here, right? But I'm 6'6", okay? So that's why my point of view is high, because I'm a big guy. Okay, so keep that in mind as I'm walking through this cabin. I am 6'6", okay? So on the first floor, like I said, you got this barn door here, which is a really cool. On the original Big Bertha, we had 2 small rooms down here one for the laundry room and one for the bathroom. But a lot of people would always say, hey, them rooms are kind of small. Can't we just make it one big room and kind of have everything in there? Have the laundry room and the bathroom in one big room, which is going to be a lot more efficient. So that's what we did. We got a barn door on here. You'll put your shower over here, toilet, sink. You could put your stackable washer and dryer and a folding table over here for your laundry. Okay, that's what most folks do in this room. They do like a bathroom / laundry room situation, and it turns out beautifully. And you got your window right here. It turns out beautifully, y'all. Beautiful, okay? So we'll close the barn door. Pretty cool. Over here is where your refrigerator goes. Standard size refrigerator, handcrafted cabinets by the Amish. You let us know if you want a double or single sink here. We'll cut it out and put that in for you. And then you put your refrigerator on this side. Then you got your dining room nook. Some folks love it and gotta have it. Some folks hate it. They're like, hey, take that out. We just want to keep it an open space, like an open layout type deal, so we can take it out. It's up to you. Underneath, right here, the stairs that goes upstairs, we got a couple leftover items here from when the Amish were setting up. But you see underneath here, most folks will put your water heater right in that little nook right there. That's where the water heater is going to go, okay? Unless you go tankless. If you go tankless, then you don't even really need to put it over there. So once again, and then you got your route to go upstairs, right over here, and then there's your back door. Before we go upstairs, let me show you what the back of this thing looks like. She's a big girl, y'all. She's a big girl. Big step down here. And let's show you what the back side looks like. I gotta go way back. She's a big girl. Gotta go way back. Like I said, 14 by 42 on the bottom, 14 by 32 on the top. Now, wouldn't this look so pretty on your land? Clean as a whistle, baby. She's a pretty girl. Big Bertha BERTHA 2.0. All right, remember you got 12 different metal roof colors to choose from. Let me go back inside and take y'all upstairs. I'm trying to get y'all the full perspective here. Big step up. Let's keep it moving. Once again, back into the living room. There's the master bedroom downstairs. Dining room, kitchen, bathroom area / laundry room. And let's go upstairs. Once again, before we make it all the way upstairs, let me show you the catwalk. So you got a catwalk here that connects the two bedrooms together. So you go across the catwalk from one bedroom to the other. We kept this bedroom open, okay? And we kept this bedroom, we closed it off. So y'all can see we can do both. We can close them both off, or we can leave them both open and close one and keep one open. So let's go in this one first. This one's huge. This side, this is above the living room area. Someone was asking me earlier today, can you get a California King on one side of the upstairs? And yes, you can. On this section here, you could get a California King bed right here. It's huge, okay? Remember, I'm 6'6", once again, and you don't see me bending my neck. I can stand straight up and down. Okay, straight up and down. See that? I'm standing straight up and down, no problem. I'm 6'6", 240. Double pane windows with the argon glass. Let me turn around here and show you. Clean as a whistle, baby. So we're in one bedroom. Remember, we can close that off if you want us to, and we got this one closed off. Let's go in it. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Look at that. So this is bedroom number 3. One bedroom downstairs, 2 bedrooms upstairs. Clean as a whistle. Beautiful. Now we got this one closed off. This one here, you could get you a queen or full-size bed in here, no problem. Okay, or a couple of twin beds, whatever, you know. And like I said, in this middle section up here, I'm 6'6", y'all, and my head ain't nowhere near, you know, touching the top of this. So this is the one we call Big Bertha, baby, y'all. Pretty, pretty cabin. Wouldn't this look pretty on your land? Holler at us now if you're interested. The link is in the bio. My name is OC. Follow me. Let's go back down one last time and show you all the outside front end of this. She's a pretty girl. She's a pretty girl. This is the best-selling cabin we got on the lot. Now remember too, the original version is 14 by 32 on the bottom, and it just doesn't include the bedroom downstairs. So, you know, just to kind of timestamp this, we're in April 2024. So today's prices, the 2-bedroom version of this is $79,000, and with electric, the 2-bedroom version is $89,000. Now this big girl right here, this new 2.0 version, the 3-bed, 1-bath, is today's price is $110, and then if you want it with electric, it's $120. Okay, so I've only been showing it now for a couple of days, and we already got a couple of people sending some deposits. So she's one of our best-selling cabins on the lot. This is the one we call Big Bertha Baby 2.0. We got 1.0, which is the 2-bedroom. The 2.0, which is this one. This is the 3-bedroom, which once again has got the bedroom downstairs. A lot of folks, they don't want to do the stairs. Save the stairs for the grandkids and the guests. Keep your master suite downstairs, right? Protect them knees. Ain't nobody want to fall down those steps. Okay? Hit the like, hit the share, hit the follow if y'all like what you see. Let me take you outside, like I said, one last time. Show you the outside of Big Bertha. We got a bunch of cabins on my lot now. They're everywhere, y'all. But today the focus is on Big Bertha Baby. So once more, let me show it to you. Get you all the angles one last time. Get you all the angles. She's a big girl. She's a big girl. And remember, you're going to need a slab now. We'll come bring it out and put it on block on top of your slab. We're going to take it up 3-4 feet, whatever you need us to, so your plumber can access and get your septic connected. Then you just put a pretty skirt around her to hide that block. But you're going to need a 6-inch concrete slab for us to set this out there for you. Let me walk this way. Make sure y'all get all the angles now. If you like what you see, the link is in the bio. They call me OC, aka the Cabin Cowboy. We're out here out of Scottsburg, Indiana, y'all, but we ship them nationwide. We go as far as California on the West Coast, all the way to Vermont, Maine on the East Coast, down to Florida and Texas. We go all over with these things. Okay, there's the back side of her. Don't hesitate to holler at me if you like what you see. Phone number is 502-298-8946. The link is in the bio. They call me the Cabin Cowboy. Y'all have a blessed day. Holler at me now.